Whoa, 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 whoa. Hi, guys. Hi, you might remember me, Landon, your host today. We're talking about floods and thunderstorms. What's some potential dangers of flood? One, floods can cause landslides, farm destruction, shutting down electricity grids, contaminating water. People build barriers to stop floods. Levees on a river's edge. A dam blocks a river. Sand dunes are hills of sand close to the ocean. A seawall is a wall built on the shore. How do floods happen? Land absorbs water like a sponge. It becomes flooded if it exceeds the limit of water it can hold. Floodwater is contaminated by garbage, sewage, and dead animals. It can spread diseases and poison water. Floods are most common in low-lying areas near large bodies of water and often happen during spring when heavy rains come by with melting snow. I'm going to show experiment. You need to go shopping. For this experiment, you need dirt, a container, and water, and paper. Always go shopping with a grown-up. Let's take our supplies home. Fill your container with dirt. You want quite a bit. Next, fold a piece of paper in half. You want 2 triangles on top and on bottom. Be careful, the triangles are very tricky. Then you want to fold the paper in half. Flip it over and make 2 flaps. You want to make another one. You want to make a door and it's kind of like a T. You only need to do this on one of them. You need to fold the flaps back to make a door. You want to make your 2 parts together. You can make any homes you want, but I made 5. Make sure there's a little hole on one side and make a hill on another. Put your houses in different spots, close to the water and close to the hill. Next, you want to pour the water bottle into the hole. It's kind of like it's acting rainy a lot. The homes close to the water got destroyed. They're too close to the water source, that's why it got destroyed. Other ones didn't because they're too far from the water source and they're on a hill. Look inside, there's water. Is that a what? Next we're going to talk about thunderstorms. We're going to talk about clouds, precipitation, lightning, and thunder. Clouds happen when warm, humid air rises and cools. Precipitation happens when clouds become heavy with moisture. Lightning happens when air molecules rub together and form a static charge. Thunder happens, heated air expands rapidly and creates a shock wave. We're going to talk about street lightning and a leader stroke. When street lightning gets curved in the cloud, not harmful to people. A leader stroke follows a zigzag path and is answered by a return stroke from the ground. Both of them occur in storms and equalizes a cloud's charge. What is lightning likely to strike? Trees, lights, and skyscrapers and lightning rods. The positive charge of the ground attracts lightning strikes. Release the built-up static charge and clouds. Since lightning travels and faster than sound, usually see lightning before you hear thunder. Like metal, water is dangerous during a thunderstorm because it can conduct electricity. Thanks for learning with me. I'm gonna see you next time, and bye-bye. And in the next episode, we're gonna talk tornadoes and strong winds. Thanks for learning with me today. I had a lot of fun. Come back if you want. Follow my channel to learn about science. Next, we're going to talk about strong winds and tornadoes. And we're going to learn about space. See you next time. I'm Landon.